Hello, guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. And to all those who are new to this channel, welcome. We are just regular people who love making videos and want to share our reviews of gears. And hopefully, it will help someone who is just getting their feet wet with this whole video thing. The Zhiyun Crane M is a 3-axis gimbal that will make your shots buttery smooth. This gimbal is for beginners out there who is ready to take the next plunge. And if you are like me, you just don't have just one camera. I was looking for something that can handle my action cam, iPhone X with moment lens, point and shoot, and my mirrorless cameras. The Crane M can handle all of my cameras and it can max out at 650 grams. And did I mention that it is affordable? As of right now, you can get it on Amazon for around $240. Okay. Enough talking, let's roll some test shots. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. The Zhiyun Crane M is a perfect gimbal to get your shots stable. It's affordable and versatile. And if you want something with a little bit more power, I recommend the Zhiyun Crane Plus. And that's it for now, and we'll catch you on the next one.